So we are still walking through Coombe Park, this delightful countryside not far from Coventry in Warwickshire, United Kingdom. So we haven't picked the best of days, and things are still looking a little dull, no green on the trees, and the only flowers that are up, as you can see over there, maybe in the distance, are snowdrops. Let's have a little look over here at the snowdrop. Oh, I hit my head on a yew tree. You would. Paddle through the mud and go and see the lovely snowdrops. They're the only things that are out at the moment. There you are. There they all are. Yes, so those are the only things out at the moment. Won't be long before the daffs are out, the daffodils. Then follows the tulips. I saw a solitary daisy there in the grass. I suppose they'll be the next things to start carpeting the grass. I can see some more snowdrops down here by the stream, river, call it what you will. Daff's not out, there's the snowdrops. Brave little things, aren't they, snowdrops, pushing their heads up through the snow even, obviously why they're named such. The ones at the back?
Yeah, with the red.
I'm trying to think. They've got a soft bark on them, if you have a look. Oh, just go back this way. Go back this way. Beautiful big trees, look at these. And these have soft bark. I'm trying to think of the name of them. Normally I can think, are they spruce? No, not spruce. But these have very, very soft bark. We won't pull it away, but you can see it is so soft. Look, it's almost like, feels like felt, look. It's just felt. So that is so soft. Yeah, and there's a whole set of them. Look, we're walking through the middle of them. Not nice. Yeah, it's like a felt. It's so soft and lovely. And there's a little group of them here. I would say they are quite old. They're certainly quite tall. Look at those. I seem to have lost Irene. She's here somewhere. Where am I? Where am I? In the middle. In the middle of somewhere. How are we going to get out of here? Where am I? maybe it's over there. Well, I can't find Irene either now. Well, this is the country park at Coombe. It used to be Coombe Abbey here. Coombe Park, Coombe Country Park, and there's the Coombe Hotel. Hi! And we'll see if we can leave by going over here. My wife's white hat over there. There she goes. Well, we've had a lovely walk around here, and I'm going to say farewell for now. Oh, what are these over here? Flowers! Oh my word, there's flowers that are out. Can you see them behind that seat? Sorry, we're not going to stop now. We're going to have a look at the flowers. Wow, look at these. Oh, they're lovely. I can't believe they're celandines. I don't know what they are, but well, on that lovely note and those beautiful flowers, I'm going to say goodbye from Coombe Country Park in Warwickshire, United Kingdom, and a big thank you for watching and a special thank you for subscribing. Bye for now.